So I have been in Mark's and AJ's mentor program with this landing page. Oh, AJ's messaging me right now. Yeah, they're always in contact with you, man. They're definitely always available. Um, and right here you can see what I've brought in from their traffic. Um, and I'm not even out of clicks yet. Like I bought a good amount of clicks. You don't necessarily need to buy that many, but like I bought a good amount because I understood the potential. And I'm not even I'm like barely over halfway through my clicks. And if you go down here, you can kind of see all the leads I have, the active leads. So this is all an email list right here, right? So I'm building an email list. That's the thing people don't focus on as much through this is like, dude, you are building a email, uh, an email list, which is the most powerful thing you have. And then with this method, you can build one for really cheap or free. I mean, it's likely you'll even make money building it. So that's really no joke there. And we'll go to the dashboard here. The leaderboard. Let's go down here, and right here I'm in 26 on the competition. 26 with their traffic. Right now, if I stay in the top 40, I got a MacBook coming to me. So, yeah, I would definitely look into it at least. Schedule a call with them, if nothing else. So don't wait too long. Schedule a call with them. At least schedule a call. I mean, you don't have to do anything if you just talk to them, see how to set everything up. It's really easy.